Hello from Milan.
We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. Portable electronic devices such as tablets and mobile phones in flight mode may be used throughout.
We switch off uninstall it in the cabin bag and
Okay, I bought a ticket to go to the lift. Papunta dun sa pinakataas ng cathedral na ito. It's 16 euros. I'm right now at the rooftop of this cathedral. And this is how it looks like. Napakaraming turista. Hello from Milan. I'm on top of the cathedral of this city. So beautiful. Let's explore this area. Ayan siya. Alright. Let's go here. They're having a moment. Marami nagpapapicture.
Yeah. Mami Beng, Christina.
Right. It looks like parang pare-pareho lang naman ang view. Okay, let's keep moving. Go. Gusto ko makikita yung buong city. So I don't know kung merong viewing deck dito talaga kasi online when I checked, we should be able to see the whole city from here. Let's see. Napakaganda ng structure na ito. This is a Gothic building. Talagang yung details niya amazing, no? Can you imagine kung paano siya na-build? Can you imagine kung gaano katagal to ginawa? Ayun, so may pataas pa. Do you see that, guys? So I still have to climb the stair. Okay, this is interesting. Let's do it. Okay. Kaya tayo. Let's akyat. Nalulula ako, guys. Kalula. Okay. Right now, I'm on the very top na. Wala na mga aakyatan dito. You can see naman na wala na structure. sa taas. So makikita ninyo doon sa dulo, still under construction. Kahit itong mga gilid na to. Just like in Barcelona, when I went there to see Sagrada de Familia, ganyan din, yung hindi siya natatapos. Kasi nga, they keep on like adding more structures. Pero super ganda ng mga Gothic designs nila. Amazing. Okay guys, I'm right here overlooking the city of Milan. Ayan siya. So makikita nyo pa rin yung few Gothic art building na ito dyan. O diba? Ang ganda. It really feels good to be on top so that makikita mo talaga yung buong city. Whenever I go to a place or visit a country or a city, ay talagang hanggat maaari gusto ko makarating sa mga locations na makikita ko yung top view para ma-maximize ko yung kita mo lahat, not only by bus or by walking tour, but makikita mo yung buong city, yung mukha ng buong city. Ayan guys. There. Danger of falling. Naku, malamang kahit wala naman nakalagay niyan, hindi naman maglalakas ng loob ang mga taong umupo dyan. Okay, so that is not bad for 16 euro just to get here on top, na may lift naman. I mean, may elevator naman. I'm going to the other side of this cathedral. Let's see kung ano makikita doon sa kabilang side. Nakakalula lang kasi, you know, yung alam mong ang taas-taas ng lugar mo. Tapos, hindi rin flat yung dinadaanan mo. Elevated din. You have to step down, you have to step up. Here. Hanap ako ng lugar ko. Okay. This is it, Pansit. Ito po yung kabila. So may structure din dun sa dulo. You can see yung stair papunta doon sa parang platform na yun. Okay, it's time to leave this place. I'm gonna go down now. We just have to use the stair in going down kasi yung lift ay, or elevator ay pataas lang. So, ito lang, medyo kailangan matibay tuhod mo kasi upon going down ay manual. That's fine. I'm enjoying it. Okay, so that stair na pababa is leading to the inside of this cathedral. So, I thought I'm just gonna end up outside the door. Pero, dadaan pala dito. That's it. I'm gonna go exit now. Thank you for watching. Till my next video, guys.